Hello, everybody, and welcome to the 80th edition of LM's Weekly Wrap, our weekly program for the market related developments. It's been a very decisive week for the markets. We've had a kind of a dream run in the markets, and all those sectors which were hitherto languishing or in the dumps have started participating in the market rally. So I think a very decisive week, which started off on a kind of a circumspect note, driven by global developments. But I think all's well that really ends well, and we've had a fantastic run in the markets. To explain more about the markets, we have with us the birthday boy today, Jash. Many happy returns
Thank
of
you,
the
sir.
day. So do well, and our best wishes are there with you. And I think he's going to take us ahead with the market related developments, which will be followed by the sectoral outlook from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I think it has, as Nirav sir very rightly said, it has been a dream run for all the traders and investors. Everyone's making money. Everyone's booking profit also, so they're getting more space to buy new stocks. I think this cycle is going to keep on going, but as usual, we'll say ask everyone to keep booking profits. So if the market goes down, and of course it will at some point, we'll get opportunity to buy it again. No further ado, and we'll start with the global and the domestic markets. Global markets, there was not a lot of noise over there. I think we stand where we were last week. The the crude is stabilized at below $80 a barrel, and we are still waiting for some kind of decisiveness on the interest rates, that to what extent the rates are going to be cut by the US Fed in this coming year. So that's where the market is stuck over there. But there are other positive global cues which led the global markets to drive up, and that has what the spillover effect was on the Indian market as well 3 days ago. So that's when we saw the Nifty 50 and Sensex start moving upwards. Coming to India, it is as resilient as it can be right now. We are seeing major investments, capex and investments by the government coming into the Indian country by foreign and Indian companies. We've heard rumors about Tesla getting some parcel of land in Gujarat. We've also there's the Vibrant Gujarat week is going on, where they're promoting business in Gujarat. So we've seen Tata promising a certain 1,000 crore investment in the Sanand plant. I think they are going to manufacture batteries over there. Maruti's Japanese counterpart Suzuki Motor Corporation is going to invest some kind of money in Gujarat. So we're seeing a lot of capex going into Gujarat and also in Maharashtra. Today marks a very big event for Maharashtra. We have the longest sea bridge that is going to be opened by our Prime Minister, Mr. Prime Minister Sir Narendra Modi, and it's a 22-kilometer long sea bridge. It's the longest in India. So I think more than longest, this is a milestone. And to make this possible, there were very key infrastructure companies from India that were involved. On that, Nirav sir will put some more light, and they've used the best technology to construct the bridge. It took about 7 years. So I think even Maharashtra is stepping up in the game. Coming to some different data points is that MP and MP UP overtook Maharashtra and Gujarat in terms of investments. They've clocked in more mutual fund investments than both these states in the last month. So I think we can see how the financial inclusion is coming into the picture, and that is what is helping our country to grow right now. So that's it about my commentary ends here, and I would like to hand over to Nirav sir.
Yeah, thank you, Josh. So yes, as rightly pointed out, that there have been a lot of investments and under the Vibrant Gujarat, etc. So just I'd like to start with one thing. The interim budget is around the corner, and we've seen till now the government doing all the heavy lifting with respect to the investments. And this time around too, there is news that the government may commit approximately 11 trillion rupees for infrastructure development and capacity creation within the country. So This has really enthused the capital goods makers, the infrastructure related stocks, the defense, railways. We've seen immediately after this announcement, we've seen strong moves in stocks like ABB, Siemens, Cummins. These are all the capital goods makers. At the same time, we saw some very strong and decisive move in L&T. We saw moves in Adani Ports and SEZ. We saw strong moves in Ashoka Buildcon, NCC, KEC, etc. So all the infrastructure players have been enthused by this news flow. At the same time, we've seen strong moves in railway-related companies and defense makers, especially the shipyard companies. So I think this, in a way, was a turning point for the market as far as this week is concerned. The second important factor was a vibrant Gujarat. Immediately after the vibrant Gujarat first day announcements, we've seen the Adani Group stocks, and we've seen the Reliance Group, Mukesh Ambani Group. They've rallied very substantially in the market. We've seen Reliance, which was an underperformer. It was languishing for quite some time. This stock rarely moves, gives big moves, but this stock is up about 6% in the last 3 days. So I think this is a positive development. 2.5%, 2.5%, and 1% up today. So 6% up move in Reliance in the last 3 sessions. So this has really helped the Nifty push up further. Apart from this, we have the certain stocks in auto. We have Hero MotoCorp, which has really rallied very fast. It's raced ahead in the market. In fact, if one were to look at the price movement in the last 2 months, this stock has gained about 40% in value. It's been a slow and a silent mover. But in the last couple of sessions, it has really picked up pace because the company plans to have new product launches on January 23rd. So again, very strong moves over there in Hero MotoCorp. Apart from that, we have Bajaj Auto, which also continues to do very well. We have in the star of this year already in the making, with that is Adani Ports and SEZ, which is up about 16% in the first 13 days of this year. So a very strong move given by Adani Ports and SEZ. This is especially after the judgment which we have seen, the court judgment, and the very strong guidance which has been given out by the company during the quarterly update. So I think these all factors have really enthused the markets. We've seen select pockets do well. Pharma has been doing quite well. And the laggard of this particular week would be the FMCG sector, which has been struggling. We have almost all the companies which are languishing, especially after the quarterly updates from companies like Dabur and Marico kind of disappointed the markets. Apart from that, I think private sector banks have been a bit under pressure. We've seen whenever there have been a strong move in the markets, private sector banks have come under some sort of pressure. So, and I think while we go towards the end of the week, we had results yesterday from Infosys and TCS. And as a view which was given by us in the media, that the kind of pessimism in these stocks seems to have been overdone, and there's quite a likelihood that these stocks may bounce back from the lows. So I think yesterday, based on initial analysis, our target for TCS is 4,000 rupees, and for Infosys is 1,521. But I think the stock has gone far beyond that. It's crossed the 1600 levels as we speak. Hovers around 1606 levels at the moment. So we await now the results from HCL Technologies and Wipro today, and the next week we'll be having a whole host of results, especially HDFC Bank to look forward to, and others also. So I think yes, market is moving ahead, and all the laggards have started moving up. We've seen stocks like Reliance, the like of Cipla or HCL Technologies, Hero MotoCorp. They've all supported the market. We've seen very good quarterly update coming in from Bajaj Finance, which has really helped the market. So no dearth of action in the market. Our weekender stocks have also been doing well. A lot of things to discuss, but time constraints will permit no further. So we come to the end of our session. I'll hand over to Jash for the closing remarks.
Thank you so much, sir. I think it was a very valuable insight, especially when the result season has just begun. So I think there's a lot to come in the coming few weeks, and stay tuned for more updates. Also, if you want more insight on the result season in the coming few weeks, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment. Thank you.
Thank you.